Good morning, students. In the series of digital system design, myself, Shilpa Sharma from EC department, welcomes you all. Today's topic, which we will discuss or I'll teach you, is about the statements. Means concurrent statement and sequential statements. Both do you understand about them? You wrote the program in the concurrent statement for half adder. This is very simple way to define. In concurrent, we usually use the statement anywhere in the architecture, whereas sequential statements are only defined inside the process. Concurrent statements are executed in an asynchronous manner. That is, they are order independent, whereas sequential statements are order dependent. Means they are executed sequentially one after another. Storage elements like flip-flops cannot be modeled using concurrent statement. They are modeled using sequential type of statement. What are concurrent statements? These are when, where, process. Whereas sequential statements are if, case, loop, assert, wait. If we look deeper in the concurrent statement, that concurrent statements are event triggered. That is, they are executed whenever there is an event on the input signal. As I have told you, concurrent statements appear anywhere in the architecture. They are order independent. And how many types of they? Generally process, when, with. If we look into the process statement, then we will see that process statement is the primary concurrent VHDL statement used in sequential behavior. Within process statement is the sequential statement, and this can exist anywhere in the architecture. It defines region in the architecture where all statements are sequential. It can have explicit sensitivity list. Sensitivity list, do you know? Process under bracket clock A, comma B means sensitivity list defines the input signal on which some event will occur and accordingly output will get changed. Okay. Sensitivity list is the list of signal that the process is sensitive to change on it. It should have either the sensitivity list or wait statement at the end. Look, wait statements are not allowed in the processes with sensitivity list. To define, we use the syntax process then sensitivity list. Before process, label can be defined. It is not needed hardly. Now, if we look further, then declarations must be defined. Inside these declarations, again, we will begin some statement and sequential statements are defined. Means inside the process statement, sequential statement should be defined, and then we will end this process. For example, processes B, C, D, we are defining the sensitivity list. Means on B and C and D, we are defining some event to occur. Now begin, A is assigned a value on B, B is assigned a value of C, C is assigned a value of D, then end process. So, see in this, these statements should be executed in given sequence, otherwise the values will get changed, because after changing the value of B, we will change the value of A. Now, the value was changed according to C and C was changed according to D. So everything should be in sequential manner. Now, furthermore, if we see more examples, then here you can understand process, clock and reset are the sensitivity list. If the reset is 1, then A is assigned a value of 0, else if clock dash event and clock equals 1, then A is assigned a value of B. So here we are depending upon clock and reset value. Both are, whenever they are 1, then A will get changed. And if, then end process. So in this way, we can use a process signal. How? Without a wait signal. Now, if we want to apply wait signal, then how we will write this example only? We will again define process, then sensitivity list can be defined again, then begin. Similar way that was used if in the without a statement of wait. If reset equals 1, then A is assigned a value, else if clock, event and clock are given, then A is assigned a value of B and. Now before ending the processes, we will wait on reset and clock. So if we do not wanted to specify the sensitivity list in process, then we can define them on wait. So wait on those sensitivity which were defined in process. Okay. So this is the way we define the process. Now when statement, when, as you can see, when this condition fulfills, then output will be this. Here, when and else statement, otherwise this statement must be there. When else statement evaluates choices and select the choice depending on expression, like syntax. Target has been assigned a value of expression 1 when choice 1 appears. Expression 2 when choice 2 appears, else expression 3. Okay. So this is the way we use the when statement. Now with statement. How we use with statement? We need to specify with. With statement evaluates choice and compare that value to each choice value. Like syntax you can see, with choice underscore exp select, means with this condition select either experiment 1 value or expression 1 value, expression 2 value, expression 3, expression 2. See, here using both with and when. The matching choice value has its expression assigned to target in when statement. Each value in the range of the choice underscore expression type must be covered by one choice. So this way we can define the concurrent statements. And what about now the sequential statements? Sequential statements are not event triggered, as we were discussed that they are executed in sequence one after another statement inside which? Inside the process. Main sequential statements are if, case, loop, assert and wait. We will discuss them all. If a statement, it is the simplest statement used for evaluation of a condition. If a statement, if condition holds true, a set of statements is executed, else no or different statements are executed. It checks a condition and selects a set of statements based on the value of condition. The syntax used for this are of three forms basically. If condition, then sequential statement, then AND. This was simple if. Another form is if then else. If condition, then statement, else, then statement, and. Third form is if else if ladder. That means we are using a series of else if. If condition, then statement we need to write. Else if condition, then statement we need to write. Else if condition, then statement. At last else, statement and if. In all the three forms, every if has to be ended with an and if. We can take an example here. If select is 1, then C is assigned a value of A, else C is assigned a value of B, and this was simple if. If select is 0, 0, then O is assigned a value of A, else if select is 0, 1, then X is assigned a value B, it has to be 0. Else if color equals red, then Y is C, else O is D, and so in this way statements can be nested and generates a priority structure. This corresponds to when else concurrent statement. In the case statement, series of parallel checks are imposed on the condition. Case statement is a multiple condition statement which can be an effective replacement for if-else if ladder for multiple conditions to check a single parameter for against multiple values. It selects one of the branch for the execution based on the value of expression. The expression value must be a discrete type of one-dimensional type. Here you can see the syntax. Case expression is when choice 1 is given, then we will run the sequential statement. When choice 2, then sequential statement. When choice, then statement. It needs to be ANDed, that means AND case. So this way case 1 is defined. See, my if underscore pro, this is the label of process. Sensitivity list star SCDEF. You can check from the circuit. CDEF, S is the output, means select lines 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. In the starting if as equals 0, 0, then P out equals C, else if as equals 0, 1, then P out equals something else. Else if as equals 1, 0, then P out is E, or if all these conditions are not satisfied, then P out assigned a value of F. Then we need to AND the if, then AND process sensitivity list label name. So in this way we can define what? We can define the case statements. Now it's the time for loop statement. What are loop statement? Loop statement, the syntax for these statements are loop and loop, in between sequential statements are defined. Another is while loop, that means we can define while condition. In this while condition, then we will apply loop, then sequential statement and loop. Another is for loop, means for some value, means some identifier. It can be in discrete range loop, then sequential statement, then AND. As an example, we can see here general form for a for loop is for loop index in range loop sequential statement. As an example, see, variable B is defined, begin, loop X is the loop label for J in 1 to 8 loops. So we are applying loop on J. Accordingly, string 1 will get changed, then B will be giving a different value. We will exit when B becomes false if it is, then AND loop, then loop label. This way we can define the loop simple. If we wanted to define while loop, then what? While some condition loop is applied, then sequential statements are there, then we will AND those loops. These statements are executed continuously as long as condition is true. So, this is having iteration scheme, condition is evaluated before execution. So, this was all about the various loops, cases and various sequential and concurrent statements. For now, thank you.